Learning English speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
Policeman, hello, sir. I have some notes about your excessive speed today. Can you provide your driver's license and vehicle documents, please? Car owner, of course, here is the driver's license and vehicle documents. Policeman, thank you. I will check these documents. Please, did you know that you were driving well above the legal limit? Car owner, I admit that I was driving too fast, and I am sorry for that. I had a busy day and was in a hurry. Policeman, you understand, but excessive speed poses a danger to the road and other drivers. It can lead to serious accidents. Was there a specific reason for this excessive speed? Car owner, no, there is no specific reason. I was just in a hurry to get to my destination. Policeman, I understand. But you must remember that adhering to legal speed limits protects you and others. Now, I'll give you a ticket for speeding. You must pay the fine on time or go to court if you wish to protest. Car owner, okay, I'll pay the fine. Thanks for reminding me of the importance of obeying traffic laws. Policeman, you're welcome. Please, pay attention to speed ahead and make sure you drive safely. Have a good day.
For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.